Have you ever opened Google Maps and it already knows where the traffic is even before you get there? That's not magic. Google Maps is analyzing enormous amounts of data every second, and the systems behind it operate at a scale most people never imagine. Every time someone drives with Google Maps open, their phone sends anonymous location signals. Those signals show how fast vehicles are moving on each road. When millions of devices send signals at the same time, Google Maps can estimate traffic speed almost instantly. Why should you care? Because this technology helps millions of people avoid traffic, shorten commute times, and move through cities more efficiently. But real-time signals are only part of the story. Navigation systems also analyze historical traffic data. For example, they know which highways slow down during rush hour. They know how traffic changes on weekends, and they learn how events affect city traffic patterns. All of this information becomes part of a massive data set used to predict future traffic conditions. So where does all that data go? Into something called a hyperscale data warehouse. These systems store and analyze enormous data sets. They can process trillions of records from millions of devices at the same time. Why is that important? Because traffic prediction requires analyzing data from across entire cities, countries, and even continents. And the amount of data being processed is massive. Here's the surprising part. The amount of data being generated today is staggering. Companies used to measure data in gigabytes, then terabytes, then petabytes. But today, some systems ingest and analyze data at zettabyte scale. A single zettabyte equals 1 trillion gigabytes. Navigation platforms must handle enormous streams of location data every second, and hyperscale data systems make that possible. Once the data is collected, real-time analytics systems analyze it instantly. They combine live traffic signals, historical traffic patterns, and predictive algorithms. Within seconds, the system can estimate travel times and suggest faster routes. That's why Google Maps can tell you when traffic is building before you even see it. Traffic prediction is just one example. The same hyperscale systems power fraud detection in banks, recommendation engines like Netflix, cybersecurity threat detection, and smart city infrastructure. These technologies allow organizations to analyze massive data sets in real time. So, the next time Google Maps warns you about traffic, remember what's happening behind the scenes: millions of devices sending signals. Hyperscale data warehouses processing enormous data sets, and real-time analytics predicting traffic patterns across entire cities, all in seconds. If you enjoy learning how everyday technology works behind the scenes, subscribe for more simple explanations of big data, AI, and modern systems.